This is pipe produced on 7/24. Today's date is 7/25. We're like 2 o'clock in the afternoon on Friday. We're at 5,000 pounds now. We're at 9,000 pounds, 10,000 pounds. The deload requirement for this pipe, 16,200 pounds to the 0.1 inch crack. About 14,000, 15,000 pounds, 17,000 pounds. Hope you'll see a crack pattern develop. 19,000 pounds, 20,000 pounds. We have a little bit of a hairline crack developing here. We're looking for a 0.01 to be 12 inches consecutive, and that gauge will go in. 21,000 pounds. 23,000 pounds. We got a 0.01 inch crack here at 23.5. A 0.01 inch crack. We're going to run it up to ultimate now where it won't carry any more load. And here we're going to back off the load here for you. You can see the crack pattern. You have the crack in the 12 and 6 o'clock position. We're going to back off the load. If you notice, we got a 0.01 inch crack. Vibratory roller, off-road truck, whatever, no cover comes over this pipe, does the damage. Let's back off the load here. We're going to back up. Let's back off the load. We're going to back off the load and you're going to watch this crack. We have an off-road vehicle, a vibratory roller. Some construction loads cause damage to this pipe to exceed the 0.1 inch load. If you notice, this crack is closing back up. The gauge when you stand up in there, but it's going to close back up and hold the gauge for us. We back off. You can see the cracks closing back up, both in the top and in the bottom, in the 12 and 6 position. We're going to run it back up and we'll go back up to the ultimate where this pipe will no longer carry, it will no longer let the load increase. We'll top out on the load that this pipe will take. So we'll start running it back up. We're at 15,000 pounds. The requirement was 16.2. We went to 23 one day after production. We're at 17.5. 19,000 pounds. And the nice thing is, as this pipe cures, day 2, week 2, year 1, year 2, this pipe gets stronger. We're at 22.5. 24,000 pounds. We're back at our 0.1 inch crack. We're at 26,000 pounds, 27, 28, 29,000 pounds, 30,000 pounds, 31,000 pounds, 32,000 pounds, 33,000 pounds. The ultimate design of this pipe is what? 24,000. What, 24? The ultimate design of this pipe was 24,000 pounds. We've exceeded that. We're at 35,000 pounds now. So the safety factor involved with the design of concrete pipe, and like I said, this is a day-old pipe. Now you see the crack pattern starting to change. 36.5. We're starting to get a little crack in the 3 and the 9 o'clock position on the outside first. 36.5. One day old pipe. 36.7. 36.8, 36.9, 37,000 pounds. This is what we almost call like an ultimate now. This pipe's it's almost about to peak out on this load. It's 37.5, 37.9, 38,000 pounds. We only needed to hit 24,000 pounds for ultimate design. So we're at 38.4, 38.5, 38.7, 38.8, 38.9. Now this pipe's still holding its shape. 39,000. And there we go. We're probably at the ultimate. What are we at now? 39,000 pounds will be the ultimate. Don't want to cover up the crack pattern for you. But this is a pipe that's reached its ultimate design. It's still holding its shape. It's still able to convey water, hold the roadway. But we capped this thing out at 39,000 pounds. Ultimate design was 24. But you notice the crack patterns. We got 12 and 6 on the inside first. On the outside at the 3 and 9 o'clock positions where the crack started. And we're going to back the load off and get another pipe and possibly show you another angle.